What Team Penske means to me is making new memories with old friends. We thought it would be fun reenacting our favorite Team Penske moments.
Hello, I'm legendary NASCAR announcer Eli Gold, and this is Team Penske's History in Review.
After winning a race in 1992, Wallace put the pedal to the metal for the 1993 NASCAR season. In his second race of the year, Wallace honored a fallen comrade, Alan Kulwicki, with his signature Polish lap. When 1993 was all said and done, Wallace had won a total of 10 races, including beating legendary driver Dale Earnhardt a total of 4 times. He was a close second in points, and 1993 will have gone down as one of the greatest single-driver seasons in history. We turn our attention to the 100th running of the Indy 500. There was a battle all day between Dixon, Franchetti, and Helio Castroneves. At the end of the race, Helio took the checkered flag and climbed the fence. After an emotional celebration, Castroneves took a sip of the historic milk to celebrate his victory. 2012 proved to be Brad Keselowski's season. He defeated Jimmie Johnson for the first Sprint Cup in Team Penske history. He received the trophy from Brian France and proceeded to celebrate his championship run.